Hello, dear subscribers and guests of my channel. I want to show how I knit the side of the pillowcase. Of course, I will need yarn of 2 colors, a hook and scissors. First, I will show how to knit the side with 1 color. I knitted the last, 4th row almost to the end, and I have only a few loops left. I pull the loop out a little. This is my front side. I turn it over to the back side. I put it on its edge so that I can see these loops. I insert the hook into the very first loop. Take this last loop and pull it out. This will be on my back side. Now I take this loop. I make it as tightly as possible so that I have no gap. 1 air loop and the second air loop. I do all this on the back side. I turn the knitting in into the very first loop in the side parts. I insert the hook into the first and second, pull it through and make a loop. So, I will do this to the end. These are called transverse loops. Here are the first and second from each transverse. I insert the hook and make it. This is how the edging is obtained when you continue knitting in 1 color. Here I have contrasting threads so that you can see. Now I will show you how you can do it with 2 colors. For example, your pillowcase remains white, but you plan to knit the border in a different color. I insert the hook from the wrong side and pull it between the 2 loops into the second loop next to it. I made the first loop, a lifting loop, an air loop. And here in this same loop, you can already see it. I insert the hook and begin to knit the border into the next loop next to it. Note that I insert the hook from the wrong side to the front side. So, to the end, until I completely knit the entire row. Look what I got from the front side. I got very nice stitches. But on the wrong side I have this small border. I will knit it a little bigger so that it is more visible. Look, if you look from the side, this edging will be white. It will remain the color of the sole. It looks original. On the side of the sole, on the outside there will be such nice stitches, and on the wrong side you can continue knitting. I turn the knitting. For example, I have already finished in the round. I want to increase the border a little. And you will continue the border with a different color. See how it will look. I think that I have explained it to you clearly and you will succeed. I wish you easy loops, great yarn and stay healthy. Goodbye, yeah.